In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stacks in Wix Studio. If you've ever struggled to keep multiple elements aligned and responsive across different screen sizes, stacks are going to make your life much easier. They let you group items so they move, resize, and space themselves consistently, without overlapping when the layout changes. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Wix. Click the official Wix result to go to the site. Once you're there, log into your account as you normally would. After you've signed in, select the Wix Studio site you want to work on so we can jump into the editor. Inside the editor, choose the elements you want to group. Click the first item, then hold Shift and click each additional element you want included. You'll see a stack option appear. Click it to instantly create a stack. If you're unsure how it will look, hover over the stack icon, the one with horizontal or vertical lines, to preview the arrangement before committing. With the stack selected, open the Layout section in the Inspector panel. Here, choose whether your stack should be horizontal or vertical. Horizontal is great for buttons or icons sitting side by side, while vertical works well for text, images, and buttons arranged in a column. Now let's explore the key adjustments that make stacks powerful. To resize the entire group, drag the outer edges or corners of the stack. The elements inside will maintain their relative spacing as the container grows or shrinks, which keeps your design consistent. Stacks are built for responsiveness, so as your canvas changes width, the elements stay together and won't overlap. This is especially helpful when designing for tablets and phones, where spacing can easily break without a structured container. To fine-tune spacing between items, drag the blue lines that appear between elements, or use item spacing in the Layout panel for precise, uniform gaps. For alignment, use the Layout options to align items left, center, or right within the stack, depending on your design's visual hierarchy. You can also control how items sit along the cross-axis so they feel balanced. If you need breathing room around everything inside the stack, adjust the padding. This adds internal space between the stack's boundary and its contents, helping your design feel open and intentional. You can set padding on each side or keep values consistent for symmetry. And if you ever need to separate items again, select the stack and click the Unstack option. This returns each element to being independently selectable while preserving their positions, so you can tweak or reorganize them with flexibility.